This bird has stalked our life now outside because Billy insists on feeding him cat food. And so he comes every day out the door. This is the first time we found him actually in our house. Go on. Go out. Go. Fly away. Fly. Go get your food. Go outside. Go on. Don't attack me. That beak looks sharp. Go outside. Go. Go on. This thing's creepy. I think the cat food's making him crazy. Oh, he's coming closer. Whew. Lord. Why is he looking at me like that? I think he wants to eat me. Go outside. Oh. No. Don't go further in the house. Now he's on the other couch. Come here, I got some Lucky Charms. Come here. Come on. Come out the door. Okay, bird, you can't stay in the house. You gotta go. You gotta go. Go. Now he's gonna stab me. My roommate is not helping. Yes, go. Keep going. He's not going anywhere. Open the other door so it's wider, maybe. Go. I'm gonna try to shoo him from this way. Go on. I'll use the Bible. Go. I think he's gonna stab me. These things could be dangerous. I don't think you should keep feeding this bird. He's gonna end up stabbing us in the heart with that beak. He's looking at me kind of strange. Go on. You cannot stay in the house. Diseases.
Come on, food.
Go. Thank you. Jeez. He's like, what the hell is that? Seriously though, he can't stay in the house. He already ruins our pool.